morning and welcome to News All Time. You all are watching the morning news and I come with the headlines of India and the world, and my name is Mendila and you are watching the headlines of today.
Centre asks state to identify pocket of critical interventions of COVID-19 management. In a letter to State Chief Secretaries, Union Health Secretary Preeti Swetan said, earlier districts were designated as hotspot or red zone, orange zone and green zone primarily based on cumulative cases reported and the doubling rate. Since recovery rate have gone up, the districts are now allowed being to across various zones daily broadened based criteria. Also conclude a district will be considered under green zone if there are no confirmed cases so far on there is no reported case last 21 days in the area of highlighted. The speed on feedback. Additional analysis at the state level. State may destination red and orange zone are appropriated. They are not relaxed zonal classification of district classified as red or orange. Also highlighted the necessary action in red and orange zone to break chain of transmission of virus. The containment zone in this district have to be delineated based on mapping of cases and contacts. Geographical dispersion of cases and contacts in area with well democratic premier as well as enforceability. As per the second headline, a total of 35,000 COVID-19 cases have been reported in the country so far. As per Health Ministry, 8,889 patients have recovered after treatment and discharge from hospital, while 1,147 patients have died. Buffering media in New Delhi on Thursday, a health ministry official said recovery rate has improved from 13% to above 25% in 14 days. It is a positive sign. The doubling rate of novel coronavirus is now 11 days compared to 3.4 days before lockdown. State whose doubling rate is better than national average and it's between 11 to 20 days are Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, Odisha, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Punjab. State whose doubling rate is between 20 to 40 days include Karnataka, Ladakh, Haryana, Uttarakhand and Kerala. Assam, Telangana, Chhattisgarh and Himachal Pradesh have doubling rate above 40 days. The fatality rate is 3.2% and the comorbidities has found in COVID-19 patients in 78% of the death rate. Jharkhand became the first state to bring its migrant labor back home through the first train run between the Lingapalli railway station in Telangana to Hatia railway station in Ranchi to the post-lockdown orders after the Ministry of Home Affairs recent directives to the state to bring back the standard labor migrants and students issued on April 29. The effort by the state government has brought hopes on many faces. DRM Hatia railway station and confirmed the special train will run from Lingapalli, Hyderabad to Hatia, Jharkhand on request on the state government as per direction of Railway Ministry. Another train will plan as direct of Ministry upon request and originating destination state. Earlier, a mock drill was carried out to manage people once they reach post-lockdown. They have the mock drill proved handily the Telangana 24 coach train carry migrants. Hence, also it has been sanitized providing food. After the migrants have to go home and they have to self-quarantine for 14 days. The Railway Minister Piyush Goyal to help Jharkhand bring their migrant labor back to homes via railway from far off distance places. The train is being standard labours of Jharkhand from Telangana. After Minister of Railway gave a note to this, around 1,100 labours are expected to reach their destination post midnight hours. Sanitization of Hatia railway station being carried out under supervision of railway officials. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has taken a detailed review of the current status of Indian efforts in vaccination development, drug history, diagnosis and testing related to COVID-19. An official statement states over 30 Indian vaccination in different stages of development with a few going on the trial stages. In drug development, three approaches are being taken which include the purposing of existing drugs, secondly the development of new candidate drugs, and molecules are being driven by linking high performance computational approaches with laboratory verification. Thirdly, A plant extract and products have been examined for general antiviral properties. In diagnosis and testing, several academic research institutes and startup has been developed new tests both the RT-PCR approach and for the antibody detection. During the meeting, Mr. Modi took note for the extraordinary coming together of academic, industry and government, combined with speedy but efficient regulatory process. He desired that such coordination speed should be embedded into standard operation procedure. He emphasized that it is possible in a crisis should be a part of routine way to scientific functioning, appreciated the scientific coming together of the computer science, chemistry, biotech in the drug discovery.